Guys, welcome to a video. I thought today I'd show you the gift I got for my Father's Day. As you can see, I got these rather lovely, awful, wonderful cleaning slippers, which just are the most ridiculous presents ever. So thanks kids for that. I'm sure we'll keep our floors lovely and clean. They're not even comfortable to wear, but here we go. We clean up the floor and dust. Yeah, they'll be nice and shiny on our floor. Seriously guys, I mean, have you ever seen anything more ridiculous than these cleaning slippers? I mean, maybe next year you could maybe get me some Xbox games vouchers or PlayStation vouchers. Oh, not that I'm ungrateful at all. I mean, these are great, fantastic. Look how shiny it's keeping our floor, absolutely amazing. I mean, this is right up here with toilet golf for the most ridiculous present ever. But guys, please like and subscribe, maybe add a comment on even more daft presents that you might have got for Father's Day or Christmas or whatever. Okay, thanks guys, bye.